In this video, I am going to show how to create a split winzip file. So the first step is to go into winzip and create the split size. So the way to do that is you open up winzip and you go into settings. Settings on the left hand side is an option called split. Option by default gives you some standard split sizes starting with 1.2 megabytes, 5 megabytes, and so forth. Under 2 gigabytes. A gigabyte is 1,000 megabytes. So I don't have that 1.7, 1.8 gigabyte option here. So I can pick custom size. Oops. So I picked custom size, and then right under it is the custom size that I can manually enter. So I can just pick what's there right now. Let's say I want to make it 1750. Just type in 1750. So this gives me 1750 megabytes, which is 1.75 gigabytes. And then I go ahead and save my settings, and so now that's going to be the default. Into creating a winzip file, I can create it either if I want a full size, of course, is just right click to winzip and say add into a winzip file. That will take that folder and create a winzip file. But what I want to do here is actually go in and pick the third option, which is create a split zip file. So that'll create multiple files, and it will split it at the 1.75 gigabyte options. In my case, I want to encrypt the file. You don't have to. I'm going to save it in the same location. That's fine for me. But you can change it if you want. So I'm going to encrypt it. You don't have to. And I'm going to save it in that location. And then all I do is just click the create button. Enter the password that I want. That's it. It will start processing and creating that split zip file. So my file was about 2.2 gigabytes, so it should make one chunk at 1.7 gigabytes and the other the balance. Okay, so it's done doing the winzip. So it gives me this dialog. I press OK, and now when I look in the folder, it's created 2 files. It's created this zip file and a supplemental file. So them are under 1.75 gigabytes. Well, it actually gets a little bit bigger than the 1.75 that I specified. So you might want to factor that in when you make your split size. But essentially what this allows me to do is take one folder which was 2.5 gigabytes or so, and split it up into 2 separate files that are under 1.75 or roughly under 1.75 gigabytes.